Hello, little dreamers. Welcome to Lullaby Dreamland, the magical place where stories comes to life. Tonight, we have a very special story just for you. So find a cozy spot, snuggle up with your favorite teddy bear, and let's begin our adventure. And now, it's time for a wonderful story. Welcome to this special episode of Lullaby Dreamland, where every story is a new adventure. Tonight's story is called The Magical Numbers of Maplewood. It's a tale full of magic, wonder, and surprises just for you. Are you ready? Then let's begin. Lena and Leo were siblings who loved stories, adventures, and playing outside. But there was one thing they didn't love. Yeah, math. No matter how hard they tried, the numbers never made sense. The multiplication tables danced in their heads like confusing riddles, and fractions felt like broken pieces of a puzzle they could never fit together. One evening, after struggling with their homework, they sat on their porch, staring at the glowing sky. I wish numbers were as easy as counting stars, Lena sighed. Just then, a warm breeze whispered through the trees, carrying the scent of cinnamon and something magical. The wind swirled around them, sparkling like golden dust, and before they could blink, whoosh, they found themselves standing in a glowing forest. The trees were tall, with leaves shaped like numbers, and the ground was covered in shimmering mass symbols. "Where are we?" Leo asked, his eyes wide.
"Welcome to the land of numbers,"
a voice chirped. They turned to see a tiny, wise-looking owl with glasses perched on its beak.
"I'm Professor Digit, the guardian of this land, and you two are just in time. We have a problem, and only hardworking thinkers can solve it."
Lena and Leo exchanged a nervous glance. What kind of problem? Professor Digit flapped his wings and led them to a beautiful golden bridge stretching across a sparkling river. This bridge connects two sides of Maplewood. But oh dear, look! The middle section of the bridge was missing. Instead, floating numbers hovered in the air, jumbled and confused.
"The only way to fix it,"
the professor explained,
"is by solving the missing math problems."
Lena bit her lip. "But you're not good at math," Professor Digit smiled.
"Oh, but have you ever truly tried with all your heart? Math is like an adventure. It's full of puzzles, and puzzles are solved with patience and practice."
The siblings hesitated, but then they remembered something their teacher always said. With effort, anything is possible. So, they took a deep breath and got to work. The first missing piece had a floating problem. 4 times ? equal 20. Leo thought hard. 4 times what equal 20? Lena counted on her fingers.
then gasped, 5! It's 5! As soon as she said it, a golden plank appeared, connecting part of the bridge. The next problem was a tricky one. 12 divided ? Equal 3. Leo stretched his head. 12 divided by what equals 3? Lena whispered, let's break it down. 3 times something should give us 12. Leo's eyes lit up. 4! It's 4! Another plank appeared. They kept going, solving more and more problems, adding, subtracting, multiplying, until finally, with one last answer, the bridge was complete. The entire land erupted in cheers. The trees clapped their leafy hands, and the river bubbled with joy. Professor Digit beamed. You see, with effort and patience, even what seemed impossible can be done. As a reward, the wise owl gave them each a tiny golden number. Whenever math feels hard, remember this moment. You don't need magic to succeed. You only need to believe in your hard work. With that, the warm breeze returned, swirling around them. And whoosh, they were back on their porch, their math books still open in front of them. Leo blinked. Was that real? Lena looked at the tiny golden numbers in her hand and smiled. I think so. That night, they finished their homework with excitement, no longer afraid of numbers, because now they knew the secret. With effort, anything, even math, was possible. The end. And now, little dreamers, if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to hit the like button so we know you want more magical bedtime stories. And if you'd love to hear a new story every night, make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell. Now, close your eyes. Let this story take you to a world of dreams. Sweet dreams and good night.